as her sister Sonam Kapoor is back after a long stay at her sasural. Sonam is back in Mumbai after 3 months and is now chilling at home with her sister and her parents. And it looks like the two stylish sisters are really enjoying spending time together, and they also shared social media posts on being roomies again. But now that Riya's Veere is back, does that mean Veere the Wedding 2 पर काम शुरू हो जाएगा? Mumbai is all set to just get a little more stylish क्योंकि Bollywood's most popular fashionista Sonam Kapoor Ahuja is back in the Bay. Sonam जो पिछले कई महीनों से दिल्ली में थी, spending the lockdown in her sasural after returning from London with her businessman husband Anand Ahuja, has finally managed to travel back to Mumbai.
This is my anniversary present.
अब वो कमर्शियल एयरक्राफ्ट से आई या प्राइवेट जेट से, ये तो हमें पता नहीं. But her darling husband made sure that she came back just in time for her birthday. In fact, Sonam's stylist producer sister Riya Kapoor is very excited to have her bestie Behen back. And the chic duo are back to being roomies again. In fact, Sonam's husband shares a video of the two sisters chilling together on their respective phones, but just happy to be around each other. Riya was thrilled that she could celebrate her sister's birthday with her and shared a heartwarming post for the fashionista Didi that speaks volumes about the bond they share. Riya wrote, "There are countless things I wouldn't have, in brackets a career, or be a stylist or producer without you. But I think the most valuable gifts you've given me are your belief in me and that lurking idealism that comes so easily to you." Sonam and Riya almost एक साथ इस इंडस्ट्री में आए, and the two have grown into their individual roles and responsibilities, branching into acting and production respectively. And Riya also doubling up as Sonam's in-house stylist, creating the fabulous looks that people go gaga over. More than anyone, Riya जानती है कि Sonam कितनी मेहनत करती है and how her journey to stardom has not always been easy. In her note for her sister, sharing pictures from their childhood and from Sonam's early days in Bollywood, Riya writes, "They say never judge a book by its cover, and with you it's a conflict. I'm styling that cover and most people seem to really like it. But what's under is delightful, beyond what people can comprehend until they get to know you. You deserve everything you hope for and have worked for." Sonam, who is also super happy to be home and to hopefully start work again on her upcoming projects, responded to her sister's post with a sweet message that said, Best friends forever. You're better than me in every way. Love you the most." We are happy that Sonam is back in Mumbai too. Kyunki with the two Veeres back together, maybe we will finally get some good news about Veere the Wedding Part 2.